Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share one of the secret for generating more sales. Most of the people fail to generate sales by even after doing a lot of campaigns and video ads and target marketing. The most important reason I am going to share in this video. So stay till the end of this video and try to understand how can we generate sales by using one secret. Now, most of the time, people fail to generate the sales because of one simple reason. Before trying to understand that particular secret, let us try to understand why sales is more important. In today's world, sales is most important skill one should have. Without that, you cannot have profit. Sales is directly connected with profit. It is a skill that generates profit. You can earn money through sales. If you are having very good product, but if you are not able to sell your product or your service, you cannot generate the profit, you cannot generate the money. And therefore, sales is very important skill every businessman should have. Now, let us try to understand why most of the people fail to sell their product or service even after doing a lot of campaigns. Now, so many different things one has to learn. You must be expert in online advertisement, creating campaign, targeting your customer, making your ad attractive, video attractive. Everything is okay, but even after doing that, if you are not able to generate a sale, then probably there is one very important reason. When we are generating campaign, we need to convert that viewer into customer, and for that purpose we need to bring that customer to land on your website. Your website is very important, or your landing page that you have created to generate actual sales. This is the page where you are converting your viewer into your buyer. Now, if that page is not attractive, if you are not listing your features properly, or you are not able to generate impact, create impact on viewer, then it becomes very difficult to convert your client into customer. And therefore, you have to focus on your website. Most of the people, what they do, they create a website and forget it, and then they'll get busy in generating leads, doing campaigns and Facebook ads and all. But most important thing they forget, after watching that particular ad, you are going to bring that viewer on your web page, or on your landing page, where you are listing features of your product or service, and then you are generating actual sales. Now you have to automate everything properly in a proper sequence, that viewer will watch the video ad, then that viewer will come to your website or landing page. By what you have to make it very attractive, and you have to create psychological impacts on your landing page, and finally customer will take a decision to buy service from you or product from you. And there should be proper automation on for online payment gateway and all, and once user click on it, you are able to convert your viewer into your buyer. Now, this is not possible by just creating your website once and just do your ads continuously. And for that purpose, every businessman must have to work on their landing page, and that landing page or your website that really converts your customer into your buyer, or it generates real your profit. Now, WordPress is a skill that everyone has to master, because by learning WordPress, you can create your own website. Now, if you are updating your website frequently from an agency, it becomes very difficult. And therefore, I'm recommending for every businessman, they should have at least basic skills to create their own landing page. And a lot of AI tools are available in market. They are going to help you to create your landing page, your website. But the final touch you have to give in your customized way based on your product and your service. And for that purpose, basic knowledge of WordPress is very important. If you are having that WordPress knowledge, it is very easy to convert or to change, update your landing page, your website, your product listing and everything very easily, and that will lead lot of sales, that will generate lot of sales. And therefore, I am recommending every businessman must have one basic skill, that is WordPress. You don't need to pay a lot of bills to your agency or your website developer or vendor, you can create your own web pages, your own landing pages, just by using simple techniques and by using lot of AI tools. Those are available free of cost, and you can create your own landing pages. If you are interested to learn WordPress from me, I have created very simple 14 days course where you can learn WordPress very easily. The link is given in a comment. Please check the link, and if you are really interested to learn, you can join my course where I'm going to give very simple and practical way to learn WordPress even though you don't have any coding knowledge. Anyone can learn WordPress and generate huge income from your WordPress websites and landing pages just by doing digital marketing. If you like this video, please hit on a like button and share this video with your friends. And if you want to get such kind of content from my side, subscribe my channel, keep visiting, and happy learning.